Hey guys, good afternoon. I just wanted to show you today the Amazon and a trade that I made on Amazon and what it turned out to be on Amazon. And I have a feeling it's going to start going in a few days, but really what it turned out to be today was just really a day of consolidation. And that's okay. Consolidation is good. So, but what I wanted to show you was on a stock like Amazon, the consolidation you can make if you time it right, you can make a lot of money on Amazon. Okay, so the low of the day was like 1932, somewhere around there, and the high day it was around 1955. So that's a good amount of points in between. But the problem is you need to make sure that that you're really focusing on setups that you're doing the double bottoms or the double tops or Amazon. Pat always says how much Amazon loves the VWAP and respects the VWAP. So and it does. He's right. He's absolutely right. And so you want to make sure that you're doing a VWAP tap or VWAP rejection plays. And I wouldn't do too any more than that. Maybe a higher low, but if it happened right here, something like that, where your risk is somewhat small. On Amazon, you got to give it like 3 or 4 points, okay, of range because it can go up and down. It can chop you out real quick. So real quick, I got in a little bit on this candle right here, and it was a little bit higher up here, risking down on here. So that was a decent entry that I got for this play. Then I wrote it on up, and I sold some and took some profits, and then I added some more in this area, but then sold when it came back down. Let me zoom in on that. I sold back down when it crossed VWAP. I ended up buying a few more, but when it crossed back below the 50 here, I ended up selling half my shares because I didn't like the way it was looking. So, and then I reestablished a risk of right here, and when it started to climb back up, I re-entered it using that risk. So again, it's somewhere in the 42 down to the 40, 43 down to the 39, stuff like that. 3 4 points. You don't want to give it too much, and then it slowly grinded up, all the way up to 1955. Now I had sold up here. I didn't like the way this was looking. It just based right there, and I didn't like the way it was looking. And sometimes your intuition is, you should just listen to your intuition. Sometimes it's just dead on. And for me, at this point, it was dead on. I didn't take any of my shares off at that point. I sold them all. And then I got out, and what the the problem is I didn't realize, and I had marked it on the daily, and check this out, is that the top was at 1955, around there. Where was the top on 1918? About 1955. Where was the top on 1917? About 1955. And I even marked it out, but I didn't go back to it and check it. Had I done that, I probably would have gone in for trying to get the top of the day, and look how beautifully that would have gone. It came all the way down here past the 200 EMA. So that was another nice trade. This is, when it ranges back and forth and consolidates like this, you can make money going up, you can make money going down. It's really a wonderful thing. And you can see how it just went up and down, just ranging back and forth all day, about 20 points or so. So that's pretty much the lesson today is, again, follow that daily. I missed a big trade because I didn't go back and look at it. Even though I had it marked, I didn't go back and look at it. And again, on a stock like Amazon, really focus on those double bottoms, double tops, and VWAP taps and VWAP rejections. If you like these videos, guys, I'd appreciate it if you throw a subscribe to me. And come check out Trick Trades and see Pat Mitchell and let him go over with you every day the stuff that he's doing with us, guys. He's really working wonders, and like I put in a post on Twitter today, he's not only our teacher and he's not only our mentor, but, and I mean this extremely, to be extremely honest and blunt, I call Pat a friend, okay, and that's gonna sound kind of corny, but it's true. I consider Pat a friend. He engages with each and every one of his students, guys. And if your mentor's in your room right now, and you know, I've had some mentors that I don't think I've said 2 words to, or I've tried to, and they just never got back to me. If your mentor's not giving you the attention that you need, and I'm not just talking just attention like, hey, how are you doing? He gives you attention and teaches you. You know, he pulled me, I had a few questions for him on a Saturday, okay? He pulled me aside and said, hey, you want to do a screen share? And I said, yeah, that'd be awesome. He spent an hour and a half with me just going over setups and asking how I was doing and, you know, trying to work out any issues that I was having. It was phenomenal. Okay, that would have cost $400 from anybody else, any one of these guys that give you these one-on-one sessions. Okay, he not only did that, then I had an appointment with Kelvo, one of the other instructors, later that day. He spent over 2 hours with me, so I almost got 4 hours of instructions of just one-on-one tutelage in one day. That's just the kind of people they are, guys. This is real. This is legit. Come check it out. TrickTrades.com. Follow the link below and come see it for yourself, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. All right. Hope everyone has a wonderful day and take care.